Hey everyone, in this episode of Travel Odysseys, we're going to explore the Voodoo Museum here in New Orleans near Bourbon Street. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comment section below, put in hashtag Travel Odysseys. Your support is greatly appreciated. Okay, how much? Seven? Okay. For a second I thought you said 7D, so... Yeah. Awesome, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Voodoo Exorcism, New Orleans, circa 1850. Go on through. This is Marie Laveau. To make the doll represent someone, put in your picture to the doll. Write their name on a piece of paper and pin to the doll. Draw their face or likeness on the doll. To make the doll part of someone, put hair or fingernail clippings inside the doll. Wrap a piece of the person's clothing on the doll. Rub the doll against the person. Place the voodoo doll in the vicinity of the target, but always keep it hidden.
Did you see the zombies?
Oh.
The zombie whip and the blowfish?
Zombie whip and how is the blowfish significant?
It's poison that's used in the making of zombies.
To make someone, to control them better. Central South America. I remember seeing a movie where they showed how that was done. I think it was called The Serpent and the Rainbow.
Yeah.
You remember that movie? Synth Expedite.
The black cat juju is hung in the house around the eve of All Saints' Day and the Day of the Dead. It's used to protect the home against evil spirits, particularly dogs.
Nice. So it's protective, and yet in so many cultures, people superstitiously believe that black cats were a sign of bad luck. And these are the voodoo dolls over here. There's juju, defies, and mocks evil spirits by sticking its tongues out. Thank you for watching this episode of Travel Odysseys. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comments section below, put hashtag Travel Odysseys. Your support is greatly appreciated. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Travel Odysseys.